everyone, Hana Bilodeau from SIG SAUER Academy. Just want to take a minute and talk to you guys about status checks, how we would do them and why we would do them. Status checks are something that we should incorporate in our loading procedure to ensure there's a round in the chamber and that there's a full loaded mag in the gun. We always run the risk of human error and or mechanical error, so a status check after loading the firearm is important to ensure that a round actually did chamber. There are several different ways to perform status checks. I'd like to share a couple of the techniques with you. If you're running a double action, single action pistol, it's easiest if you thumb cock that hammer into single action. That's going to alleviate some of the pressure off of the slide and hopefully reduce the amount of times you eject the round versus checking for it. Once there, I like to use the tang as kind of like a stop for the slide so it doesn't over rotate and I don't run the risk of ejecting that round. I bring my thumb underneath the tang, I curl my index finger behind the sights. Once I'm there, I can pinch the two together. It opens the slide enough so I can see a glimpse of brass and I can also feel for it. That's a way. Another way would be to use the serrations to the rear of the slide. Again, I can pull back on the slide itself, I can drop a digit in and feel for the brass. The last technique is using the serrations on the front of the slide. I will just caution you to make sure you don't cross your digits and or hand in front of the muzzle when using the front of the slide. Essentially, positioning your fingers on the serrations and pushing back on the slide. And again, you can utilize a finger to touch for the brass or visually see it as that slide moves backwards. For more handgun techniques, check out SIGSauerAcademy.com.